Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add a clock to our lock screen in Samsung S22. Right now, when we look at our lock screen, we have no clock. How to add it? We need to go to Settings, and in Lock Screen Options, we have a little hidden menu right here. And we can customize a fair bit right here. But we are interested in our clock. So to add a clock, we have a few available options here. For example, let's use this one. We can, of course, make it bigger, change color if you want to, and change the font. And done. And let's see how our lock screen looks right now. Terrible. It works. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.